trying to fix the echo. Okay, is that music good now?
From Arctic ice to island drums.
1, 2.
Every stamp on my page.
I'm trying to fix the echo on the mic.
Another drop in the way. Silver stars answer the call. Voices rise like a tidal wall.
1, 2. I'm trying to fix the mic echo now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, mic echo. How do I fix you? Mic's good. I'm not echoing. 1, 2. You can hear me now. I'm good. Check, check, check. 1, 2. Check, 1, 2. Is there echo in my mic? Is there echo in my music? Are the levels good? I'm good. Okay, now I've got an echo in my ear though. But I can just deal with that. Mic. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's all good now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check 1, 2. Turn up the mic. Okay, I'll turn up the mic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that better on the microphone? Is that better? 1, 2, 3, 4. Man. I've got a wicked echo in my headphones. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why am I getting such an echo? I don't know. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in 4 minutes and 15 seconds. I've got a crazy echo in my headphones, but it seems like it's good for you guys now, so I'm just going to roll with it and fix it. Is the music good? Is the audio good? Let me know right now. No, I'm not rebooting. 1, 2. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International, stack 'em that mill. So hit that sub, join the quest. Riches await. Yes. Thank you for the gifted memberships. I'm still trying to fix this echo in my head. Okay. Audio monitoring off. Chasing that mill. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So hit that sub, join the quest. Riches await, you're the best. International stacker, stacking strong. Silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill. Chasing that mill.
1, 2.
Crabs are grooving side to side. Ocean waves where dreams collide. Claws are up.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Treasure gleaming, golden space. Get your claws up, don't delay.
Let's get a crab dance going, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Get your claws up. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live here in just a minute and 45 seconds. Smash a like button if you're ready.
Gold and silver, who wants it all? Are you ready for the mega gall? We're the crew, the Shell Brigade. Treasures found, the music's played. Get your claws up.
Yes. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Come on. Get him up. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in 1 minute, breaking down the gold and silver news, helping you read the tea leaves. Mike D coming in with 50 memberships. Oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, he's gone insane. Oh my goodness. Did he get soup? Did he get soup? Did Yukon get soup? Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live here. Whoa. Wow. Did Yukon Cornelius get soup? Mike D just laid a strip of napalm of soup. Wow. Absolutely insane, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely insane. Here we go. Buckle up.
Stacker on a journey to find silver. International Stacker.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart, and I have a crazy echo in my headphones, but I think it's fine for all of you guys. So if my voice audio is fine and my music is fine, let me know in chat right now. We just had it go crazy during the countdown. Over 63 gifted memberships. Thank you so much. And let me check out Yukon Cornelius. Yukon, did you get soup? I'm looking. Yukon, did you get soup? I'm looking for him. 1, 2. I'm looking for him. Did he get soup? Another 50 from Mike D. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. Mike D is making it rain soup. Oh my goodness. We're going to break down the gold and silver here in a second, but we got to pause for a second and see if he got soup. Wow. Thank you, Real Bill, for the golden poop. Mike D's coming in. He wants, guys, if you didn't catch it earlier, in the bounty, and the big beautiful bounty for getting your Yukon Cornelius soup, I threw this in. It's one of a kind. It's the battle crab made with reckless metals. It's 000. It's a prototype, one of a kind. This is the very first non-armored variant. I dropped that in there earlier. And I dropped the prototype for the 1 ounce crab hammer in there earlier. And ladies and gentlemen, people are going absolutely insane. And we just had Fingers gift another 20 memberships. Let's see. Yukon, did you get soup? I'm looking. Yukon, did you get soup? Yukon, did you get soup? Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at? I don't think he did. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is crazy. Please smash a like button if you're having a good time. We're about to break down all the gold and silver news of the day, but I'm just watching. I gotta see, did Yukon Cornelius get soup? I'm looking. Wow. It has never been this wild before. It's hard. Oh my goodness, Barbara with another 50. I can't even keep up. No soup for Cornelius.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. What a wild start to the stream. We're already at 143 gifted memberships. That is absolutely insane. Thank you so much. So as that soup is falling from heaven, get your bowls up in the sky. I see Yukon Cornelius still has not got soup, but you know who did get soup? All the gold and silver stackers today, ladies and gentlemen. After the opening last night at 6 p.m. Eastern, we hit a low today of 59.40 on silver. We hit a high of 62.78. And then we closed right here where this green arrow's at, around 62. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when we close, hey, Christian, good to see you. Yeah, it's soup is falling from heaven. Oh, my goodness. So at 6 p.m., 5 p.m. Eastern, the market closed this evening. It opened back up at 6 p.m. Eastern, and it gapped up, ladies and gentlemen. I'm happy to announce I can delete these two orange lines. We filled that gap.
we filled that gap. Turn the candle green. Close that gap. Stack silver with me. We filled that gap. Turn the candle green. Close that gap. Stack silver with me.
Wow, wow, wow. We filled that gap, and now silver's raging higher. Now, on the day's trading session earlier, we were at about a 4% increase. Right now, since we opened back up, we're up 0.72%, 0.75%. And guys, soup is falling from heaven. Another 5 memberships gifted. Yukon Cornelius, where are you at? Did you get soup? Did you get soup? Thank you, Real Bill, for the jewels. Guys, this is insane. Thank you so much. This is insane. And not only is soup coming in at record speed, but silver is pushing higher on a BGC, a big green candle, Shanghai Futures Exchange. Some call it the Big La Bamba. Thank you, Amina, for those jewels with the egg eating a noodle. And I hate to say it, no soup for Con.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Oh my goodness. And now we got Chris Shimmick gifted 20 memberships, and Real Estate Mindset got one of them. Look at that. Real Estate Mindset just got soup. Oh my goodness. Yukon Cornelius, and still no soup for Con. Okay, so silver's pushing higher right now, ladies and gentlemen. We're on a big green candle at 0.86% for silver, pushing higher. Mike D with the cat head bombing. Thank you so much, Mike D. This is crazy, guys. You guys are absolutely insane. Thank you so much. And there comes Wyvern with another one. This is absolutely out of control. You know also what is out of control today? The gold price. We hit a low of 4,065.32. We hit a high of 4,291 or 92. And ladies and gentlemen, we did close at 5 p.m. Eastern, around that 42.48 mark. And when we opened at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time just a little bit ago, we did gap up. And I'm happy to announce we did drop a little and fill that gap on gold as well.
we filled that gap. Turn the candle green.
Oh my
Close
gosh.
that gap. Stack silver with
Oh my
me.
gosh.
We filled that gap. Turn the candle green. Close that gap. Stack silver with me.
Ladies and gentlemen, Amina gifted another 50 memberships. And future mode of another 5. Yukon, have you gotten soup? Yukon, have you gotten soup? Oh my goodness. And guys, not only is the soup going absolutely crazy right now, gold is shooting higher to 4,296. We're about to break 4,300. Oh my gosh. And it's Fitzmagic says, with all the soup, I feel like we should have something that represents crackers. I know. Man, this is absolutely insane. Thank you guys so much. Now, if everyone's asking what soup is, it's gifted memberships. And everybody right now is trying to get Yukon Cornelius in chat a gifted membership. We call it soup here colloquially. A lot of you are getting memberships right now. Thank you guys so much for the support. So guys, silver and gold are pushing higher right now. And we are just 11 minutes away from the Shanghai Futures Exchange opening right here. The big La Bamba. Now Shanghai hit a low today of 79, hit a high of 70.81. It did close on a green candle here at 70.40. And we're going to read the tea leaf. Oh my goodness! Mike D! Mike D! Oh my goodness! Mike D gifted another 50 and Commander Craig gifted 5. This is crazy. We're at 287 gifted memberships already. And we're just getting started, ladies and gentlemen. Seymour with 5. Oli with 1. Did you get soup? Yukon Cornelius, he got soup! He got soup! Who got him soup? I'm looking. Who got him soup? Hold up, he got soup. Who got it? I'm looking. Okay, I'm looking. Someone just got the bounty. Hold up. Okay. I'm looking for Yukon. Hold up. I just saw him. I think he got soup. Oh, look, he's green. Where did he get soup? Hold up, I'm looking. Where did he get soup? Who got him soup? Amina got it? Okay, let me look. Let me go up to Amina. Hold up. Oh, right here. Yukon Cornelius got soup by Amina. Ladies and gentlemen, it was once a dream. Amina wins it. And look at the camera. It got so crazy I knocked the camera sideways. Oh my goodness, Amina, you just got soup. Everyone who said it was a conspiracy, here's what she gets, ladies and gentlemen. Amina, congratulations. You get a 1/10 ounce gold coin. It is Year of the Rabbit. You get the Colonial Silver Bar. This is actually a pretty sought after bar. It's antique. It was actually minted by Engelhard. A lot of people don't know that. You get that. You get this, the Cork Top, a 1.4 ouncer, number 27. Oh my goodness. Not only that, you are going to get this Leopold 1 coin that I got at a coin show in Prague from 1670. You get that. You get these 2 coins. Now, these aren't silver or gold, but they're kind of cool because they're actual coins and they have crabs on them. So you get those. Of course, you're going to get the copper. I'm saving the best for last. You get the copper alien head round. You're going to get the silver plated soup ladle. It's stamped IS on the back for international silver, but almost like international tacker. And you get the one of a kind. This is the battle crab, not the variant, the regular. It is the prototype. A 000s right there. You get that. And Amina, you get the prototype crab hammer. Ladies and gentlemen, can we get a round of applause for Amina? Can we get a round of applause for her? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the High Soup Crab Council has prepared for this. And how have they prepared for this, ladies and gentlemen? The next person to go up on the pedestal, let me see here. It was Yukon Cornelius. Sage Flybaby's next. So Sage Flybaby, are you in chat? Guys, it's now no soup for Sage. She's there. It's now no soup for Sage. And why don't we get it started with something wild? Hold up. Why don't we get it started with something crazy here? Give me a second. Let me hold up. Let me find it. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay. Since you guys like the prototypes, here comes. We're starting off this this bounty, this new big beautiful bounty. This is the prototype of the 100-ounce cork top cast. On the back, you can see here, it is 1.6 ounces. It is prototype number 2. There we go. The big, beautiful bounty is started back again. Just one piece of silver in there, but it's a pretty epic one. But again, congratulations to Amina. That is so freaking awesome. You got the crammer, Amina. Amina, you got the crammer. That's epic. CIO Trip with the super chat saying no soup for Sage now. It is now no soup for Sage. I'm going to have to fix the video. Let me write this down. I'm going to have to fix the video. Wow. Sage soup. I'll fix the video hopefully tomorrow for tomorrow's stream. And Chris Shimmick's going, guys, this is crazy. Chris Shimmick just gifted it. Let's see if she gets it. Man, you guys are on fire tonight. Oh my goodness. Bunch of memberships are coming in. I'm about to recap gold and silver news. Guys, we got the big La Bamba here opening up. In just 5.5 minutes. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, what a stream. Wow. Sage, did you get soup? Did you get soup? Sage, did you get soup? Let me see. Did Sage get soup? What a wild day, guys. What a wild day. What a wild day. I'm looking for Sage. I'm looking for Sage. Wow. Sage got soup? Okay, hold up. Did Sage really get soup? I'm looking. Oh my goodness, Chris Shimmick! That was the quickest soup ever, Chris Shimmick. Chris Shimmick, Amina, please email me to claim that. And Chris Shimmick, congratulations. You just claimed it. You just got it, Chris Shimmick. You got the prototype number 2 for the cork top. Wow. What a pull. What a pull, Chris Shimmick. That's crazy. Okay, I'm going to have to call in an emergency conclave. We've run out of people on the high soup pedestal. So I'll call another conclave. We'll meet to do it in the war room. So let me focus here on what's about to happen. That was the quickest. That was the quickest soup ever. Congratulations, Sage. Man, that was quick. Real Bill, thank you for the jewels. Okay. So guys, the Shanghai Futures Exchange closed here at $70.41. Silver's raging higher right now, 62.64. So that is about an 8, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we're at about an 8, $7.80 premium east to west. Normally, I would say we might be gapping down, but honestly, with this kind of momentum going in the Shanghai Futures Exchange opening where we're at, I think we're going to be green, maybe a crab walk, or maybe a slide. We'll see. What do you guys think? It's going to be happening here in just 3 minutes. Woo! What a wild stream. Thank you all so much. Now, for those who missed what happened earlier on today's live stream, if you go to my website, internationalstacker.com, you can check out all the gold, silver. Oh, I got to play the song? I'll play it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
Okay, so what happened earlier today? Okay, I updated the lore, and I'm going to update it again. On an emergency conclave of the High Soup Council was called after careful deliberation. Donna Sim buying her own soup. Silver Serpents getting soup. Yukon Cornelius took the podium on August 5th, 2026. The crustaceans rallied with over 732 gifted memberships. And still no soup for Con. I got to update that again. Then I got to update Sage for the quickest ever. Ladies and gentlemen, this is absolutely insane. Thank you so much. Shanghai is opening here in 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Shanghai's opening in 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Now, guys, if you have no idea what we're talking about with soup, it's channel lore. There's a bunch of lore on this channel. Go check out that website, internationalstacker.com. Man, guys, I'm all discombobulated. What a wild stream. Oh, my goodness. Silver's pushing higher on COMEX, 62.63 here. Let's see here. Yeah, it's about a $7.80. $7.80 difference. And normally I would say we're gapping down, but with all this upward greenward pressure, what do you guys think? Are you team green or team red? Are we going up or down? Let me know right now. Guys, look at that in chat. Douglas Buck is realizing he got soup. Congratulations, Douglas Buck. You got soup. Wow. Wow. You guys are crazy. You guys are absolutely insane. I feel like we need to celebrate. I don't know. Wow. Sage Flybaby got soup in about 1 minute. The quickest soup ever. Congratulations. Okay, 1 minute warning. Here we go. 1 minute warning. We're shooting higher on the COMEX. Definitely. We are going to be turning green here, I believe. If your team green, drop a BGC in the chat. Oh, you guys want to do a big show to celebrate? If you want to do a big show to celebrate, put big show in chat right now. Barbara, thank you for gifting for the super chat saying, I'm never going to financially recover from this.
I am never going to financially recover from this.
Whew. Craig's like, we need a big show and a crab. I know. It's crazy. Okay, here we go. The Shanghai Futures Exchange is opening here in 20 seconds. Wow. 15 seconds here. What do you guys think? What's going to happen? Wow. Okay, I'm counting it down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shanghai is open. It's a gap up, nearly where the arrow was at. Gap up, gap up. Ladies and gentlemen, the Shanghai Futures Exchange is gapped up to 70.92. 70.94 now, going higher. We're going higher. We're about to take out the trading session high of 62.78 on silver. If we take that out, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be quickly approaching $63. This is not a drill. This is real life. Pinch your arm. You're not asleep. We're going higher, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Yukon Cornelius says we need to pop some champagne. You guys, it's time to celebrate. Thank you so much. It's time for the big show!
Welcome to the 4th annual Crystal Light National Aerobic Championship featuring regional finalists from all across the United States competing for the title of America's Best Aerobic Athlete. Presenting the reigning 1987 Crystal Light National Aerobic Championship.
Thank you so much.
Introducing the 4-time Crystal Light Champion.
Thank you.
International Stacker.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, you gotta be subscribed. On Sunday, the video is dropping for the Mega Ga. I'm giving away over 100 ounces of silver. I'm giving away 169 ounces of copper. I'm giving away a bunch of gold. So make sure you're subscribed and turn on the notification for the Mega giveaway. And we're pushing higher here on silver. Here we go. We just took out our next target of 62.90. 62.90 on silver. We just took out our next target on gold. 4,395. Guys, the price is moving so crazy, I can't even do the news. Look at this. Shanghai, we're going higher. Am I going to be yelling Li Shi Zhe Guadian again soon? You guys remember that? Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you subscribe. Keep smashing that like button if you're having fun. We're only 22 likes away from 250. The next 22 people to hit it will get good luck for 7 years.
It's science.
Wow. Now, guys, rumor has it that the 42nd Battle Crab is recruiting.
When the line breaks and when the enemy thinks the fight is over, the 42nd answers. We don't hold the line, we are the line. Think you've got the shell for it? Think you can stand when the charts are falling and the ground is shaking? Then the 42nd has a place for you. Join us and become the nightmare the bankers fear most.
Become the nightmare the bankers fear most. That's the best thing. Chris Shimmick says, Sage Fly Baby, that was faster than putting a bull in the microwave. That was. She immediately got soup. I've never seen something that crazy in my life. Wow. Okay, we are pushing higher here on silver, ladies and gentlemen. We just hit 62.91 on the COMEX for silver. We just hit 4,302.78 on gold. Gold to silver ratio is down to 68.52. We're going, look at the volume. Look at that volume here in Shanghai. Dear Lord, we hit 71.20, ladies and gentlemen. Are we going to keep going higher? What do you guys think? Okay. Yeah, Chris Shimmick, this is the second time you've won getting someone soup, right? Chris Shimmick is a 2-time soup champion, I believe. Wow. Okay, let me try to cover some of this breaking gold and silver news for you guys while this is all going absolutely insane. Let me switch over here. I'm going to get you guys the breaking gold and silver news. Please share the stream. Please go like and retweet this post. Follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, INTL Stacker, International One at Fit. We're nearly to 10,000 followers there. Thank you so much. Yeah, you got Rick Harrison's. That's right, Chris. Wow. Let me know if you're coming to Pittsburgh. I'll hand deliver it again. Okay, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, every Sunday I release the gold and silver weekly watchouts. And today we were watching for ISM Services PMI and FedGov Lisa Cook's speech. I've got a report on that in 1 second, but tomorrow we're going to be looking for the initial jobless claims at 8:30 and also the productivity and unit labor costs as well at 8:30. What does this stuff mean? Just go to my website, internationalstacker.com, click the news and blog, and you can see here the very last post was the weekly watchouts I put out on Sunday. I'll put another one out this Sunday. And there's so much information on this. It literally spells out what everything means, what I'm looking for, what it means. So make sure to go check that out. But here we go. I'm going to report to you on the recap for today's watchouts. Watch out recap, ladies and gentlemen. Today's watchouts were slightly bearish for gold and silver. Here's why. Today's economic data and Fed commentary gave the market more reasons to believe interest rates could stay higher for longer. ISM Services PMI headline came in slightly below expectations at 54.1 versus 54.5. New orders remained strong. Prices paid remained above 70, signaling persistent inflation pressure in the services sector. Employment weakened, ladies and gentlemen, but markets focused more on persistent inflation. Then the Fed Governor Lisa Cook spoke. Fed Governor Lisa Cook said she's prepared to support raising interest rates if inflation does not begin easing in a timely manner. She warned inflation risks remain tilted to the upside and that she doesn't want inflation becoming embedded in wages and prices. She emphasized that inflation remains the bigger risk than a weakening labor market. Why gold and silver stackers should care, ladies and gentlemen. Higher for longer interest rates can keep treasury yields elevated. A stronger U.S. dollar can pressure precious metals. Gold and silver often face headwinds when markets push back Fed rate cut expectations. Overall take, slightly bearish to neutral. However, today's data was not disastrous for gold and silver, but it wasn't a bullish catalyst that many gold and silver stackers wanted. Even so, both silver and gold still rallied today over 4%. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the report on today's breaking gold and silver watchout situations, and I will be reporting tomorrow as well. Guys, Master Blaster just won a $264 check on Michigan Keno Lottery. Congratulations, Master Blaster. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet, but get yourself some silver. How about this day in sound money history, August the 5th, ladies and gentlemen? 3 major moments in American money and coinage happened on this exact date. Let's take a trip back to 1861 when Congress passed a supplemental act governing Civil War demand notes, America's first federally issued paper currency to circulate widely, ladies and gentlemen. The law authorized $5 notes and made them receivable for public dues. Importantly, these notes were redeemable on demand for gold. Let's go to 1909. Treasury Secretary Franklin McVeigh, not related to Timothy, halted production on the new Lincoln Cent just days after its release over controversy surrounding Victor David Banner's initials on it, ladies and gentlemen, VDB. They didn't like it, so they stopped it. So only 484,000 of those were made and went out, and they became one of the most famous key date coins in American history. That is the 1909 SVDB penny. If you guys, yeah, SGT Amina got it. Then I did another bounty and Chris Shimmick got it immediately. It was crazy, the quickest soup ever. Now, how many of you guys in chat right now have a 1909 SVDB penny? Let us know. 1939, Franklin D. Roosevelt signed legislation ending most previously authorized commemorative coin programs, ladies and gentlemen. Why stackers should care about all this? Governments can change currency laws. They can redesign coins. They can remove redemption rights or end entire monetary programs with the stroke of a pen and now a keystroke. However, physical gold and silver remain tangible assets that can actually hold, ladies and gentlemen, hold their value. Let's go to the next piece of breaking news here. Silver is manipulated, but are stackers being manipulated too? If you feel manipulated, put in chat, I'm manipulated. Precious metals manipulation is not a conspiracy theory, ladies and gentlemen. I actually have a whole article about it on my blog with all the evidence and proof that you would need. But precious metals manipulation is not just a conspiracy theory. Traders have been convicted, banks have paid billions in fines, spoofing has been repeatedly used to create false buying or selling pressure in gold and silver futures. But here's the uncomfortable question. What if the manipulation hurting stackers most isn't at the COMEX, but inside our own minds? Silver rallies can occur suddenly, and suddenly everyone says we're going to the moon?
Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars.
The silver market can drop and suddenly everyone says the bull's over?
I am never going to financially recover from this.
Algorithms can learn what makes us fearful, angry, or excited, and then keep feeding us more of it. That can push stackers to chase vertical rallies, panic sell-off corrections, abandon long-term plans, make emotional decisions based on the headlines. This is why every stacker should have a written plan before the market gets emotional, so you can keep yourself in check, ladies and gentlemen. Know in advance what prices you would buy at, what prices you would sell some at, how much physical metal you will never trade no matter what the price goes to. What would change your long-term thesis? Bankers may manipulate short-term prices, but fear and greed and algorithms can manipulate your decisions, which can affect your long-term goals, unless you already know what we're going to do. So, ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? Let me know below. This is a great video I found by a smaller creator on YouTube, and I just wanted to amplify it, but get your emotions in check. Next one here. Watch out, situation for stackers triggered. The Middle East just got a little bit more dangerous. So in the last 12 hours, Israel launched precision, and thank you, Cooling, for the gifted membership. I appreciate that. Israel launched precision strikes in southern Lebanon after accusing Hezbollah of violating the ceasefire. The IDF also issued evacuation orders before the strikes, the first such warning in weeks. UK TMO, we had two reports. Both of them were off the coast of Yemen. One of them was an attack on it and sunk by a seaborne drone. The other one seems like it was a splashdown near it. Authorities have not officially attributed the ship attacks, but if this pattern fits of recent Iranian-backed Houthi maritime attacks, the Houthi rebels may be busy in Yemen, ladies and gentlemen. Reports are emerging of multiple explosions near Dubai's Jebel Ali industrial area. Some reports suggest a possible Houthi missile attack there, but the UAE authorities have not yet confirmed that, so we don't know for sure. Thank you for the jewels. Okay, why golden stackers should care about any of this? Rising oil risk, renewed threats, world's busiest shipping lanes, potential increase in safe haven demand, higher market volatility, ladies and gentlemen, bigger possible swings in gold and silver. That's a big one there, as well as one headline. One headline really can move the market. You know, we have technical analysis, we have RSI, we have resistance, but literally we're in a situation where one headline can move the entire market. But several military maritime incidents in one day do deserve attention. So, I'm sorry, as one headline rarely moves the market. That's what I meant to say. So much of this unfolded before today's gold and silver rally. So I would say some of this geopolitical risk, if not most of today's incidents, are already baked in the price. But any further escalations or a breakdown in the possible peace plan, ladies and gentlemen, we could see gold and silver move violently the other way. Keep that in mind. Speaking violently, we're being attacked right now. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. I need you to crab your battle stations. I need the 160th battle crab to get up in the air. Oh, I think Mike D's going tonight. Going to sleep. Good night, Mike D. Good to see you, my friend. Okay, next piece of news here. Stackers, beware. You paid for shipping insurance, but it may not cover your gold and silver. A UK silver stacker just lost a parcel containing over 3,000 pounds worth of bullion And the Postal Service reportedly refused compensation because gold and silver bullion wasn't covered under the service they used. This isn't just a UK problem, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, thank you, Commander Craig. Commander Craig is still here with the 42nd. Thank you. Many stackers don't realize this, ladies and gentlemen. Paying extra for standard USPS, that's the United States Royal Mail, or other postal insurance does not automatically mean your gold and silver bullion is insured. I've seen them stackers spend thousands of dollars on shipping metals, and the insurance that they assumed that would protect them didn't. Look in the fine print of all the shipping insurances you're using. A lot of them do not cover bullion. They'll cover numismatics, but not bullion. So read the fine print before you ship. Read the exclusions. Verify bullion is specifically covered. Use a carrier or dealer that provides fully insured. And that's why I like to buy from Hero, because big reputable online dealers like Hero, when they ship to you, it's going to be insured. They have the insurance to cover the whole shipment. But when you ship using standard services, most of the time, bullion is not covered, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we're going to go back to the charts here, but who saw me today? Who came and hung out at Ron's basement? It was a great stream today. Great stream on Ron's basement. Guys, I got like over 100 subscribers from that. So now we're only 17 subscribers away from 69,400. And of course, that would trigger the next big show. Wow. Hey, Top of the Matrix. Good to see you, my friend. So right now we're getting an attack on silver. We're down to 62.41 on the COMEX. However, we're still up 0.55%. Gold, we're down to 4,284, but we're still up 0.88%. Shanghai Futures Exchange is dumping a little bit, but we're still up 3.83% at holding above that 70 mark, 70.54. What a wild night, ladies and gentlemen. Our war room's only in the morning. No, Doug. So I do 2 war rooms a week. The war room on Mondays in the morning, the war room on Fridays in the evening. I do that on purpose so people in different time zones can come to at least one of them at a decent hour. And I also do surprise war rooms here and there. So 2 a week is the standard. Monday morning, Friday evening, both after the streams. And Paul Slack is saying that Mortimer woke up.
We're ruined.
Poor Mortimer's having a heart attack. And I hate to say it, guys, but this looks kind of like a shark's fin. And we're only 4 likes away from 300. Keep smashing it. I know this can be a 300 like stream. And look at that in chat. We got Mike Tevinson saying, my mail carrier tried to steal my 20 ounces today. They had to call his phone because I went up to the post office and the package was marked, handled, home to the owner. Oh my goodness. I'm glad you got it. Yukon Cornelius says, I am finally finished my soup and feel full. I need to go to the... You need to go poop? Oh my gosh. Don't tell us that.
How dare you?
Yukon Cornelius did eat all his soup. Wow. SGT Sackin's going to sleep. I might not be far behind you guys. I'm tired. And I've got an echo to fix. I've got a giant echo in my ear. I had to keep my headphone off this whole time. It's been absolutely crazy. So I'm going to have to work on my settings for this. I did a big upgrade. And whenever you upgrade, there's always a snafu. And the snafu now is insatiable echoing in my headphones. It's crazy. I'm watching the 1 minute chart on Mitco because I'm a machinist. That's funny. That's funny, Great White. Woo! And ladies and gentlemen, we're pushing back here with silver. 62.47 on the COMEX. Gold, 4,284. You guys remember when people told us it was through, it was over, the rally was done, we're going to zero? You guys remember that? Look at this from AG Astronaut. Here's my 10 cents 50-bit with King Christian IX. This is when the United States purchased the Virgin Islands from Denmark. Sick. Nice, AG. That's nice. Look at this from Next Exit. Congratulations to all the new members coming to the War Room. War Room with clothes, 33%.
How dare you?
You must be fully clothed in the War Room. You know this. Damon says the national debt is lower than it has ever been since World War II, mainly due to Elon and Trump's efforts to cut funding to unnecessary. I mean, it's not. It's not, Damon. Last I checked, we're at 39.8 trillion, headed to 40 trillion. I wish it was down, but unfortunately, it's not. Thank you, Sicilian, for shouting it out. Thank you, Crab Dog, for shouting out the stream. Thank you, Oki, and thank you, Gary. Okay, let's refresh that. Let's go here. Let's go back to here. Okay. Woo! Oh, yeah, the gaps. We had a gap in silver and gold. They both got filled. The gaps got filled. The gaps both got filled. Oh, man. Yeah. I want to check something here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh! I fixed it! Guys, I fixed the echo in my ears. Yay, no more echo! I did it! What a night, says Chris Shimmick. Gotta get the dog and eat some food. Good night. Good night, Chris Shimmick. Good to see you. Congratulations for winning that soup bounty. Wow. Now, guys, I did a lot of work on my audio today. Does the mic sound better? Does the mic sound, do my vocals sound better than normal now that I got everything fixed? And then my second question, is the background music loud enough? Can you hear it as background music? Can you not hear it all? Let me know. Soup count variable, we hit 351 new members on the stream. 351 variable. Wow. Okay, you guys are saying same, sounds fine. Yes. Voice is better. Okay, it should be. It should be because I adjusted the compressor. Sounds good. Barely hear the music. Okay, I'm going to boost the music 5 more dBs. There we go. I just boosted the music 5 more decibels. Craig says we total over 1,000 soups today. Let's see. Channel lore. We did... Someone get a calculator. This morning we did 732 soups. We just did another 350. So that's 1,000, 50, 60, 70, 83. 1,083 soups today. Wow. I've got to create the new emoji. That's going to be the next War Room, Yukon. So, channel members, the next War Room, Friday evening, we're going to figure out what the new emoji is going to be. I threw Baby Yoda in there temporarily, but that emoji I just put in chat, that's the one we get to replace. So we're going to have to do some voting. Also, we're going to do some voting on new people for the soup pedestal because we just ripped through it so quick. So quick. That was the power of the crammer, says Drano. I know. But guys, I have some wild ideas for the next one. I've got some wild ideas for the next one. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, I'm looking in chat. I'm looking in chat. And guys, who was it? Kaltenberg. Poor Kaltenberg thinks that soup is a myth. Someday Kaltenberg will get that soup. Why not keep Baby Yoda? He has a bullet because he's too hard to see. Baby Yoda's too hard to see with these emojis. Too hard to see. Even with this reverse DTB, we're still up 0.25%. Thank you, Dalton, for the GOAT trophy. We do have the best soup givers, Brian. We have the best soup givers, and it's a lot of soup givers, right? That's the nice thing. It's not just like 2 or 3 people. It's a lot of people that are feeding hungry and wayward crustaceans. James in chat needs soup. You see that? So yeah, Friday we'll be voting on the new emoji. Also Friday we will figure out the new crustaceans for the soup pedestal. There's something else I needed the members to vote on. I can't quite recall what it was, but those 2 things for sure. I guess it's good I didn't edit the no soup song to Sage Flybaby since she got it in about 15 seconds. That was the quickest soup ever. That was crazy. Okay, let's close this. Let's go back to here. Okay, guys, I am exhausted. I have been streaming today. I did 3 hours in the morning. Then I did a hour with Ron's Basement. I did another hour. So I'm 5 hours deep right now and just streaming besides everything else today. Let's see if we could do a quick crab raid. Sometimes you guys win gold and silver when we do crab raids, so they're always fun. Let's see who's live right now in the gold and silver space. I am going to be live at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, we got Gold Sniping Farmer, but we got Reckless Metals. Should we crab raid Reckless Metals? Or do you guys want to crab raid Gold Sniping Farmer? Maybe, I don't know if we've done Gold Sniping Farmer. $50 on. Guys, I'm thinking, I don't know if we've done Gold Sniping Farmer.
I mean,
Should we do Gold Sniping Farmer? He could really use it. He could really use it, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know. What do you think? Okay, we're going to take a vote. We're going to take a vote. Hold up. Okay, hold up. Who should we crab raid? Okay, I'm going to need your votes. Reckless. Gold Sniping Farmer. And then coin and around with someone else. Coin and around. Okay, here it comes. I need you guys to vote. I need you all to vote immediately. Guys, we need a baby gator. Okay, I'm going to try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there. I'm telling you, that lizard was massive. And some scientists found on the channel that 90% of the time, every time, after we do that, it could turn a red candle green or a green candle to a BGC. Ladies and gentlemen, the baby gator. Okay, we got nearly 100 votes, and it looks like Gold Sniping Farmer's taking it big time, over 55%. So we're going to end the poll. We're going to go do a crab raid. Remember, when you go there, I don't ask you guys to subscribe. That's up to you, but please smash the like button and flood the chat with crabs. And oftentimes, many of you guys win giveaways out of it. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the morning at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I guess I'll say, CYO, TNO. Catch ya on the next one. Woo!